Hello guys, good evening. This is Gina with Nailed It DIY Studio Hickory, and I am coming to you guys live from my favorite place, my dining room. So tonight's Facebook Live, I'm going to show you something really cool, and I'm super excited about that and hope you guys are ready to see something that I think is pretty nifty. We'll see what you guys think about that. Hey Althea, how are you guys? Hey Ella, I hope you're watching. If you guys are hopping on live, send me a comment. Let me know that you're here and that you can hear everything well. So part of tonight's live is, I kind of have a true confession to make. Hey Paula, so excited you're on here and watching. Can't wait to see you. Hey Ella, Paula, can't wait to see you in the studio Friday. So excited. Anyway, so I have a true confession, and I hope that after I put this out there and have my true confession time, that we can still be friends, especially all of you guys that love, love, love fall. So you may have already realized about me if you've watched any of my Facebook Lives. I'm not really a big lover of the F word. Fall, that is. Not really a big lover of fall. Now, don't get me wrong. I am a big lover of fall decorating because who doesn't love to decorate? But, the season of fall, it's just not my favorite. I mean, let's just go ahead and get this out there. I am ready to decorate for Christmas. Okay, I am ready. So fall lovers, I hope we can still be friends and you're still gonna love me, even though I'm just ready to skip the rest of fall and go ahead and start decorating for Christmas. Christmas, by the way, is in 72 days. Did you guys know that? So the clock is winding down to get there. So that's what we're going to talk about tonight, because if you have been looking at any of my social media, then you see that we have some awesome new, Paula, I can't wait for Friday either. Teresa, yes, let's rock Christmas together. Yes, absolutely. So I have been showing on my social media, have you guys been looking, some of our new fall designs. I'm sorry, why did I just say fall? New Christmas designs, and I'm so excited about them. Have you seen the cute little gnomes that are in some of our designs? They are precious, so adorable. So so if you are a lover of gnomes, we have got some cute gnome designs that you can come and make. But when this design here, guys, I am gonna just like put this front and center. I fell in love with this. So I know that this is like a Santa milk and cookies tray. Ella has already decorated her room for Christmas. Ella, I knew there were so many reasons why I love you, and that is just one of many, many, many reasons. So this design, I fell in love with it. I love the simplicity of it. Now we've got a really super cute milk and cookies tray that we've had, but this one, I fell in love with the simplicity of the design and the beauty of the design. And so I'm going to put this up here so you guys can see. This is that dark gray, our number 71 Stormy Sky Gray that we have in the studio, and it's just gray and white, and then with the black handles added to make that a tray. So totally fell in love with that design. It was one that instantly I was drawn to. So when I saw that design and made this, when I made this in the studio, okay, we'll see if it stands, if it falls. You never can tell with me. But when I made this design, instantly, the first thing that I thought of is it's just so warm and it's just so welcoming, and then it feels like a fresh twist. Oh, Chad, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, for those of you that haven't seen, so the City of Hickory did Business Well Crafted Awards, and I won an award today. I couldn't even believe it. I was so shocked and stunned by that. So thank you, Chad. I appreciate it. Anyway, back to this. So I loved the simplicity. I love the gray and white. I love the beauty of that. And it just makes me feel like warm and cozy. And I think, for me personally, when I think about 2020 and like, oh, thank you, Paula. When I think about 2020 and the fact that I am so extra ready for Christmas. Now, traditionally, I have always loved Christmas, okay? So don't get me wrong. But traditionally, I am not like ready to decorate for Christmas in October. I've never been that eager, but I am this year. And I think it's because 2020 has just been such a tough year and so hard and challenging. And I just want joy, right? I just want what the Christmas season embodies for me. And that's joy, and that's family, and that's happiness. So I think that's why I am just so ready to say, fall, it's been good, but let's see you later. And let's go ahead and start that Christmas decorating. So this design, back to this. Loved it, and it made me think about birch trees. Okay, I don't know why. I guess I do know why. The white and the gray, right? So it made me think about birch trees. So I've got this cute little, look at these. Have y'all been seeing these sitting right here in front of me? Right now, I'm so impressed that I haven't knocked them over because they are glass. And yay for me, I haven't knocked them over. But it made me think about birch trees. And when I think about decorating for Christmas and just that warm, cozy, I love birch trees and the look of the bark, and I just think they're gorgeous. And so I thought, how fun would it be to have some type of birch tree candle to sit with this design, because this really, it's functional. You can use it as on Christmas night. Oh, thank you, Paula. Joy is my word. You can use it on Christmas night for Santa, for milk and cookies, but it is so beautiful that it is something you can put in your Christmas decoration, holiday home display the whole entire season. And honestly, like, I would leave this through January, maybe even push my luck into February. I love it that much. So I thought birch candlesticks would be so beautiful. Well, I don't have any birch candlesticks. I mean, they exist. They're out there. You can go and buy some, but you know me, why buy when you can DIY? So I'm going to show you guys how simple and how easy it is to make these cuties that'll look amazing with lots of different decor, and perfect, I think, with this one. So here's what I did. I'm going to lay this down just so I don't knock it over, because I can't talk without my hands. So what I did is I went to the Dollar Tree, okay, and I got these. These are glass candles. I didn't even peel the sticker off, but these are glass candles, okay? See, it's a candle cylinder, and they were $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now, here is an important lesson that I learned, because when we're having our crazy fall weather and you purchase candles and leave them in your car during the afternoon when it gets to like 75, 77, probably, in the 80s inside the car. Oh, Paula, birch would be gorgeous in February with red and hearts. You're giving me ideas. But when you leave these in your locked up car for the entire afternoon, the candle wax melts. Do you see what happened? What happened here? It melted. It came out the sides. I had to clean these guys up a little bit. So note to self, if you go to the Dollar Tree and buy some candles, don't leave them in your car locked up for the afternoon during fall, when we have summer again in the mid-afternoon of fall. So, lesson learned, but thankfully, glass, wax, candle wax came off super easy. Okay, so $1 each at the Dollar Tree. Then, one of my favorite places, and Ella, I know you love this place too, Hobby Lobby, right? Now, we don't get our signs there, obviously, okay, just other things. But they've got this, it's scrapbooking paper, and it's birch tree printed scrapbooking paper. I'll spit it out. So this, guys, you can get at Hobby Lobby 4 sheets for $1, okay? So for $1.25, I DIY'd my birch candlestick. $1.25 each. That's a pretty good deal. So all you have to do is take your double-sided tape, which I conveniently did not leave beside of me. Take your double-sided tape, okay? So you're going to take your candlestick, double-sided tape, pull off a strip of that, stick it down the side of your candlestick holder, just like so. All right. I need a little tiny piece for the bottom. So stick it down the side. I know you can't see that, but there's tape on the side of that. So you're going to lay your candlestick down, right? And then fold over. Okay, maybe you guys can semi-see that. Fold it over, right? Wrap it around there. Now this part you want to be cautious about and try to get it even, so you know you don't want part of the wrapped paper to be halfway down the top. So you're going to wrap it around your candlestick just like that. Okay, I'm not going to leave this. I did a terrible job. Apparently I can't talk and do that at the same time. But you're just going to stick it onto the double-sided tape, roll it, right, to wrap it around. Ta-da! Take your scissors, cut it. I do have scissors somewhere. Here we go, scissors. Take your scissors and cut it. Or a smarter plan, if you're afraid and you're thinking, I can't cut straight, you can use a paper cutter. Like I've got a little mini one here, right? Lay it in there, cut your paper, more double-sided tape to stick the other side, and voila, you get your faux birch candlestick holder. And so, I mean, super easy, super simple, super inexpensive, but a great complement to your home decor. So perfect for this cute little, let me slide these over, cute little Santa tray, milk and cookies. Love that. And just think about the possibilities. Just like Paula said, you can definitely do different seasons with these. So, you know, go to the Dollar Tree, stock up on some of these candles, get you some birch paper from Hobby Lobby, and you can DIY your own candlesticks. So I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's quick and easy little tutorial. Make sure you're checking out social media and seeing all of our cute Christmas designs. And if you are ready like I am to start decorating for Christmas, then go ahead and come and see me in the studio. Get your appointment booked and we'll make something beautiful for Christmas. Now, fall lovers, don't hate me. If you want to come and make something fall, we'll do that too, okay? All right. You guys have a super great night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the studio soon.